Exercise 9.5. The direct labor budget upcoming fiscal year contains the following details about budgeted direct labor hours. The company's variable manufacturing overhead rate is $3.25 per direct labor hour. The company's fixed manufacturing overhead is $48,000 per quarter. The only non-cash item included in that is depreciation, which is $16 per quarter. Construct the company's manufacturing overhead budget for the upcoming fiscal year. So we start each quarter. We have the budgeted direct labor hours given to us here. So you put those in. The variable manufacturing overhead rate is given to us at $3.25 per direct labor hour. So that means our variable manufacturing overhead, you just multiply them. Then with the variable, then you add in the fixed manufacturing overhead, which we're told is $48,000 per quarter. And we can see here that it's just every quarter we have $48,000 in. So that gives us our total, but then you have to remove the non-cash. In order to get the amount of cash disbursements, you have to take out the non-cash thing, which is depreciation. So you subtract your depreciation to get your cash disbursements for your manufacturing overhead. So same thing every quarter. Take the budgeted direct labor hours, multiply it by the variable manufacturing overhead rate, add to your variable manufacturing overhead, add your fixed manufacturing overhead to get the total, but then subtract your non-cash expenses, which were depreciation, to get your cash disbursements. In part 2, they ask us to compute the company's manufacturing overhead rate, including both variable and fixed manufacturing overhead for the upcoming fiscal year. So, to do that, we take our total budgeted manufacturing overhead for the year. So that's the $297,625. We take the total overhead and we divide it by the total direct labor hours. So that's here. So we added up all the direct labor hours and we added up all the manufacturing overhead. So you divide it out, and the predetermined overhead rate is $9.16. We were asked here to round off to the nearest whole cent. So $9.16.